Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, tires front all season, tires rear all season. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.